Hello there and welcome back to Gary's Corner and part 2 of repairing the ANYCUBIC CHIRON where the bed has gone wrong. And we got to the stage where we left off in the last video, where we ascertained that this thing had packed up. So good old Amazon, I've managed to get a new part. Haven't opened it yet, but we will do. And I've got this hopefully the right part from Amazon. I haven't opened it up yet. Just get a knife out and give it a little cut. I'm going to try and slice my fingers off. There we go. Leading great box for a tiny little thing. I'm putting it on the floor now. Second lid. And voila, one new bit. So let's see if this is the problem, and it fixes it. I'm fairly confident that it will. So right, let's get cracking. Okay, well, we've got the part and all we've got to do now is put it back in, and fingers crossed. So that's what we'll do right now. What I've also done is I've renewed these wires. I've renewed them right up to the bed, and I've resoldered the bed. So I know there's nothing actually wrong with them wires now, because they're brand new and they're nice and flexible. They're a silicone sleeve, so that shouldn't give us a problem anymore. But we're going to connect these pins up, which is the DC coming in, which is from your power supply. And then we'll connect the new wires to here, and then what we'll do is we'll screw the board in. So I'll go ahead and do that, and just bear with me. Right, well, we've done that, so all we've got to do now really is turn it on and see if we've achieved what we wanted to do. So what I'm going to do is I'll clear the bench and turn it back up, and then we'll continue from there. Okay then, well, we've tipped it back up and we're just about to switch it on. I thought I'd let you witness it, see if it all blows up or whatever. So we're just going to switch it on. Takes a few seconds for it to start up, as you can see. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go into setup, temperature, and then on the bed temperature we're going to increase that to 60. And press OK. And that now hopefully will start heating up the bed. So fingers crossed. But it looks like we've done it. I can see just down here it's telling us the current temperature of the bed, which is climbing now to 40, 41, and the desired temperature is 60. So that seems to have done it. Yeah, that's getting warm. Excellent. So that's how you fix an ANYCUBIC CHIRON bed. Until next time, stay safe and take care. Bye now.